So I'm going to talk to you about the attack of physical systems using techniques that we call the side channel attacks. So probably most of you have heard something about those, but you don't really need to know what I'm talking about because I'm going to be introducing this from scratch. But I would like to take some examples from other fields, and actually we're going to start talking about biology. And then you will see what is the relation between what I'm telling you and the attack of real-life systems. So first of all, let me introduce to you something, a concept that biologists use today. It is called Mullerian mimicry. So what is Mullerian mimicry? It is something that was discovered very early you see 1878 in a paper by a German naturalist called Müller, hence the name. And this is a natural phenomenon where you have two or more poisonous species. So you imagine that you have, we'll see photos later, species that can do some harm to you, but you have two harmful species that may not be related to each other. So they can belong to completely different worlds, but they have in common the fact that they happen to have the same predator, someone who actually would like to eat them. And what happens is that nature guides those two species that have nothing to do with each other, in many cases, to evolve, to look, to be similar on their physical traits to each other. Why? They want to share the same warning signals. Basically, if I have nothing to do with him, and we are both poisonous in different ways. Let's say that he contains a poison A and I contain a poison B, and we look alike. If a predator attacks me, then the predator is going to get a lesson. If he attacks him, he's going to get a lesson. Our interest is to maximize the population of predators who get a lesson. So basically, I have an interest to look like him because we put together and mutualize actually our warning signals. So we make the message much clearer, although we are not the same. So here you have one example. So you have a bee. This is a species of bee. And this is a species of jacket. And they evolved to look alike, although they have absolutely